Have you ever wondered if a phone can give you premium features without breaking the bank? The Vivo S20 5G might just be the answer. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and 5G connectivity, this device could redefine your expectations. Let's find out why it's creating such buzz. In this video, we'll explore what the Vivo S20 5G offers, covering its design, performance, cameras, and more. By the end, you'll know if this phone is worth your hard-earned money. One look at this phone, and you'll notice the attention to detail. Its slim profile and lightweight build make it comfortable to hold, while the shiny back panel gives it a modern, premium feel. It's available in two stunning colors, Midnight Glow and Ice Blue. The phone features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display that stretches edge to edge. This means you get vibrant colors and deep blacks, making everything from videos to games look fantastic. Plus, the 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and a fluid experience. Especially for social media users and gamers. Under the hood, the phone packs a MediaTek Dimensity 810 processor. This chip ensures that you can run multiple apps without slowing down. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or browsing the web, the device handles it all with ease. And when it comes to RAM, there are two options, 8GB or 12GB. Combined with up to 256GB of storage, you'll have enough space for all your apps, photos, and videos. This phone runs on Android 13 with Vivo's custom FunTouch OS. It's intuitive, smooth, and offers plenty of customization options to make the device truly yours. If photography enthusiasts, take note. The Vivo S20 5G features a triple camera setup on the back. A 64MP main camera captures sharp, detailed photos in daylight and low light. 0.8MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for landscapes or group shots. 0.2MP macro lens, ideal for capturing tiny details like flowers or textures. On the front, there's a 32MP selfie camera that ensures you look great in every photo. The AI beauty mode enhances your features subtly without making them look artificial. Example: imagine taking a picture of the night skyline. With the phone's night mode, even dimly lit scenes appear clear and vibrant. This phone is 5G ready, which means you can enjoy faster download and upload speeds. Whether you're streaming HD movies or downloading large files, it's quick and seamless. Even if 5G isn't fully available in your area yet, having a phone that's future-proof is a smart choice. The Vivo S20 5G comes with a 4,500 mAh battery. It's designed to last a full day, even with heavy usage. On top of that, the 44W fast charging ensures you can juice it up quickly. Just 30 minutes of charging can give you around 60% battery, perfect for people always on the go. Pro tip: to extend battery life, use the phone's built-in power-saving mode when needed. This phone also includes some thoughtful extras: side-mounted fingerprint scanner, quick and reliable for unlocking. Dual SIM support, convenient for those who juggle personal and work numbers. High-res audio certification, enjoy better sound quality when using headphones. Small touches like these make everyday usage much more enjoyable. This phone is ideal for anyone looking for a stylish, feature-packed device without overspending. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone upgrading from an older model, this phone fits a wide range of needs. If you're someone who values a good camera, smooth performance, and future-proof connectivity, this might be your perfect match. The Vivo S20 5G is priced competitively, starting at $399. With all the features packed into this phone, it offers excellent value for money. It's available at major online retailers and Vivo stores. So, there you have it, a complete look at the Vivo S20 5G. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and impressive camera setup, it's clear why this phone stands out in its price range. If you're in the market for a reliable 5G phone, this could be the one for you. What do you think about this phone? Is it a hit or a miss? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more mobile reviews. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.